YouTube. Got another video. Today is a special day, as it is every day. We are going to a car meet tonight. It's a little bit early. I think it starts around like 6. I'm not sure when like a super appropriate time is to go to these. I don't want to go super late though because I got an early morning. So we're gonna go. Hopefully it's still live. Hopefully there's a good amount of cars that we can check out. And we're gonna take the BMW. But the car is pretty dirty. We came back from Kawartha Lakes the other day. So there's a bunch of bugs on the front of the car, which I'll show you. But the car definitely needs a wash. We can't be going up to the car meet like this. So we're gonna get it washed. Hopefully I can get my tire repaired. I have a puncture on my left tire, which happens way too often. But we're gonna get all that done, hopefully. We're also gonna work out today. We actually already did. I'll show you some clips. But we worked out. It's been a great day so far. I think it's like 25 degrees. The weather is fantastic. But I really wanna enjoy this summer weather. So we're gonna have a good time. And we're also gonna update everybody on the content that's coming and things to expect as we move closer and closer into these summer months. But yeah, stay tuned, guys. Alright guys, we are back. It is a little bit later into the day. Now we're gonna go quickly wash the car, get ready for the car meet. I'll be honest, I'm exhausted. My day always starts early, like 4, 5, 6 a.m. And these car meets always go freaking late, but that is okay. We are gonna make it work. We're still gonna have a good time. We're gonna get some good content in. And honestly, I just want to see some dope cars. I want to see some nice modifications, have a good time, and then honestly leave at like a decent hour because I got another early morning tomorrow. So we're gonna keep it short and sweet today, but we're looking forward to having a good time with our boy. I'll be so honest, that was one of the more trash sprayers. It was like underpowered. Like you can tell that the pressure was not consistent, so it couldn't spray very hard, and the car had a lot of bugs on it. Like if you look, you can see it, but there's still some bug marks, right? Like I couldn't really get them all, just due to the nature of it being like a weak sprayer. But that's just unlucky. So there's nothing you can do about it. You show up and you get one that's a little bit weaker. It is unfortunate, but we are going to make do. So we can at least go to this car meet, have a decent time, and then call it a day. Because honestly, guys, it has been a long ass weekend, and I am not trying to be out and about way into the night and then having an early morning again. So that's some bullshit, bro. Look at this. He got a good sprayer. His side was good. My side was trash. Like his side, you can't even see it, but his, there you go. His is spraying so well. Like if I had that on my side, it would have been good, but no. I got the shitty ass side and I didn't know. You know what I shouldn't have done? I shouldn't have added more money to it. I should have just fucking got his or shot a different one. But that's on me. I don't know if you guys can hear it, but you can already hear the engines roaring from here. Look at all that fucking smoke. That's all burned over. All of that burned rubber, bro. I'm literally trapped trying to find parking. Parking does not exist here, but I'm seriously trying to find it. Anywhere I can fucking go going apart. Jesus, bro, it's ridiculous.
This minivan is going the wrong way. He's going into the crowd.